My name is Jodie Underhill. I'm the co-founder and the Chief Outreach Officer for an NGO called Warrios. So Warrios obviously works in the field of waste management. I started working with waste in India in 2009. So I've been in this industry for quite a long while, and Warrios was registered in 2012. We have 3 different projects. One is Corbett Tiger Reserve, one in Dehradun, and also Dharamshala, which was my first project. So we started with a waste collection from a remote mountain camp, which is around 4 hours hike away from Cloud Ganj, a mountain camp that used to be visited by around 10,000 people every year and now is visited by around 10,000 people every month. So we have a lot of garbage to deal with. We also provide a rural waste collection in that area. Most of the places that we collect from don't have vehicle access, meaning it's very challenging for the waste workers that are doing the jobs. We maintain children's playgrounds, areas frequented by tourists, busy tourist destinations. In Dehradun, we do transformation projects, maintain localities, residential business with support from local businesses and local residents, the local park. We also focus a lot on education and awareness raising. So through our educational program, we're reaching out to about 10,000 students across our 3 project locations. So we also have a project around Corbett Tiger Reserve, where up until April we were collecting from around 3,000 households and businesses. Sadly, our funding for the Corbett project has dried up, and we are still looking for sponsors for the project. But sadly, we've had to cease operations around the Corbett Tiger Reserve. So if you can imagine that the 48 locations we were collecting from have now had to resort to burning and dumping their waste on the perimeter of the Tiger Reserve again. For the year ahead, we really want to concentrate on building awareness on a national level. I feel for me a major disappointment is even an area like Corbett, where we've been working very hard for a number of years, spending a huge amount of time and resources on educating people and raising awareness. They would still rather burn their garbage for free than pay a small fee to get their waste collected. So I think campaigns need to be conducted that make people realise how much they are harming not just the planet and their environment, but also themselves and the health of their children. So we also want to do skill training. So thankfully the government has released an accreditation for waste workers. So waste workers can actually now get a qualification in waste management, and we would like to become a training centre for that. First of all, put our own staff through it, and then reach out to rag pickers, and then of course the waste workers working with the municipalities. So the future is very exciting. Waste management is a very challenging industry, but it's also has a lot of scope. And I think you're going to see a lot of changes over the next 5 to 10 years.
Would you talk about the award part?
Yeah.
Would you just comment on that?
Yeah, I feel very proud to receive an emerging NGO award from SPO. We don't do this work because we care about awards. We care because we work really hard because we care about doing a good job. But it's always really, really nice to be recognised, and it's not just about me that stood up there on the stage receiving the award. It's for the entire team in all of those project locations, down from the waste workers up to the managing committee. Everybody can feel that somebody out there has recognised what we're doing and is looking and appreciating what we're doing. And waste management is generally a thankless task, and it always gives us a little bit of a boost when we can receive an award like that, which is really, really nice. So thank you.